What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone without using the physical buttons. While using your iPhone, open up your Settings app. From here, scroll down and head to Accessibility. Then select Touch and then scroll down again to the Back Tap option. Select it and then you can choose between Double Tap and Triple Tap. Select one of these options and then you can find a function such as Screenshot. When enabled, it will allow you to take a screenshot on your iPhone without using the physical buttons. Another way to take a screenshot on your iPhone is to use Assistive Touch. Head back to your settings and then select Accessibility. From here, head to Touch and then Assistive Touch. Enable it and then tap on Customize Top Level menu. This allows you to choose one of the 8 icons and replace its function with Screenshot. Now, when you open up your Assistive Touch menu, select the icon you specified for taking screenshots and tap on it to take a screenshot. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.